Shandong Higher Blades Technology Company Limited is a specialized manufacturer of ground engaging tools. As the name of our company shows, we hold the ambition at providing products with higher performance than others, and we aim to offer optimum service at the same time. Our main products are motor grater blades, bulldozer cutting edges, ripper shank, and bucket teeth. So we are able to supply wear parts for CAT, Komatsu, JCB, Volvo brands construction machines. Our company is located in Jinan, which is called the Steel City of Shandong Province and northern China. And we have obtained the resource of raw material after 10 years cooperation with our strategic partner, a steel company whose annual sales is over 600,000 tons. This brings our company advantage in the purchasing of raw material. Meanwhile, our city is near to Qingdao Port, so it is easy for us to provide competitive products with customized service. Higher Blades has adopted 5S and 6 Sigma management system since its establishment. It helps guarantee the high efficiency of production. Equipped with advanced production machines and heat treatment line from Korea, we are already able to provide through hardened products such as bulldozer cutting edges and motor grater blades. We have also developed new product such as scarifier blades, and Higher Blades will keep seeking to reach a higher level of product's quality and provide higher level service according to customers' need.